Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into Christmas color trends 2024 winter. I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Purple. Looking for an underrated holiday color theme? Purple Christmas decorations are the way to go. Add a splash of this non-traditional color to show off your personality and spice up your decor. 2. Blue and silver. Households that celebrate multiple holidays might consider a blue and silver Christmas tree. Classic Christmas decorations become even more festive by including a special tribute to Hanukkah. 3. Cream. Bring a cohesive look to your space with cream-colored holiday decor. The neutral hue is perfect for playing off accent pieces or on its own for a simple theme. 4. Green and brown. Perhaps the most earthy holiday colors, green and brown are perfect for a rustic, woodsy decor theme. Embrace the natural beauty of your surroundings by combining pine cones and dried leaves with pine, eucalyptus, and other fresh greenery. 5. Red and white. Keep it simple yet festive with a red and white Christmas color palette. Whether you go with candy cane-inspired stripes, polka dots, or classic color blocks, red and white decor embodies the magic of the holiday season. 6. Green and white. Channel the essence of a peaceful, snowy forest with green and white Christmas decor. Lush greenery pops against clean white, adding a wintry touch to minimal decor. 7. Green and silver. Looking for a cool and wintry Christmas color palette? Green and silver are stunning together. Each color brings out the best in the other, making for a familiar yet unique design. 8. Yellow. Spread joy this holiday season with cheery yellow accents. Ranging anywhere from bright canary yellow to deeper yellow-orange, this sunny color is sure to brighten even the dreariest winter days. 9. Green and gold. Combine earthy green hues with metallic gold for a subtle yet interesting decor theme. These colors work well both inside the home and out, perfect for seasonal patio decorations. 10. Red and gold. Fill your home with Christmas spirit by decorating with warm red and gold hues. These colors look great on a classic green pine tree, a white mantle, or even with neutral, wooden tones. 11. Gold. Add some sparkle and warmth to your holiday setup with gold decorations. From wreaths to candle holders to garlands, gold is the ideal companion for both traditional and contemporary decor styles. 12. Red and green. You can't go wrong with this classic combo. Red and green complement each other perfectly, bringing a festive feel to any space. 13. Red and brown. While brown can be woodsy and neutral, pairing it with red adds another layer of festivity. These colors will make your space extra cozy while you cuddle up and wait for the gingerbread cookies to come out of the oven. 14. Black and gold. Black and gold offer a unique twist on traditional decor. Decorate a dark Christmas tree with glowing lights and gold ornaments for a multidimensional holiday look. 15. White and gold. If you prefer a more sophisticated and modern approach, decorate your space with white and gold. This stunning color combo is sure to impress on its own, but also serves as a sleek backdrop for other accent colors. 16. Silver. Silver is a chic addition to any holiday decor style. Combine silver and gold for a fully metallic design, or add greenery for a contrasting rustic element. 17. Black and white. Combine classic black and white Christmas decor for a contemporary feel. These colors are striking on their own, but also pair well with metallics or other pops of color. And there you have it, our top 17 trend colors for Christmas 2024. Whether you're drawn to timeless reds and greens or feeling inspired by bold and modern hues, there's a festive palette here for everyone to create the perfect holiday atmosphere. Remember, the colors you choose can set the mood and make your holiday decor truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed these trending color ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more holiday inspiration coming your way. Share with us in the comments which colors you're most excited to try this year. Thanks for watching, and wishing you a vibrant and joyful Christmas season ahead.